you doing? It's your boy Pete Ross, the Chorus God in the flesh. Don't straight out of KMS, giving an update. Rap Post 3.0, the main event. Rather, we'd like to appreciate you for that. Thank you for the support and the love and the care and the continuation of the love of hip hop specifically. People, to the audience, regardless of you supporting real hip hop culture, of which we appreciate the Namo KMS and SGMS respectively. Hey, I don't saying out. Honestly, people, I mean, like, check out the battle that's gonna come up now. Yamidi Canals versus Third X. I mean, like, the disturbance at the crowd was very, very unnecessary, people. I get to get the hand or get the corona or people name, man. Please, let's make sure that I because Nahana Darene Mutazo Lafeza audience this step because I cut office criticized no Pechamola just for the secure Atanisel back. It doesn't make sense. So please, respect the MC in all departments. Number one, no context with the battle in process. All touch moto fella. Hello, number one. I'll touch mood. Outlaw Rasa Mukom Rakola Radio and every number two. Number three. As I said, any physical contact, anyone who if you touch any of our equipment, nevertheless of the situation or the position of these equipments, the camera or light or whatever, Reina, happily with all due respect, bounce because we cannot tolerate such things. A lot of the experience it got the main event. So please, with all due respect, I respect the hip hop culture along with the people who are referring to hip hop culture in respect to the whole Rap Wars league specifically. If it is a good, it's a good. Number two. To all battle rappers, who perform, regarding participate in the rap battle specifically. Number one, you have to enter into the Road to Rap Wars events. I don't know Papela main event the people. Please, our Papela main event, all you gotta do, go if you not go battle. Make a show before the Road to Rap Wars event or send your battles, your previous battles, if necessary, the trackers on a link to another radio. And if you are worthy to go there, someone not go with the Road to Rap. Okay, sure. What you gotta do, you gotta prepare. Number one. So without wasting any more time, rather, or Romela stuff let's check reveal okay shop, you are worthy to enter into the Rap Wars League. Rofaka got the Road to Rap Wars. If you go, if you win, like in by winner, main event enter into the Road to Rap Wars. Paid I'm a popular main event people because we heard a lot of issues and sentiments regarding what main event. It's a bill. Please, with all due respect, what's about the Road to Rap Wars and then I could dig without any hesitation rather. So I don't want to waste much more time. The battle is going to come up now. The main event of the main event at Rap Wars 3.0, Third X versus Midi Canal. Say, hey, like after this battle, comment that on KMS social media platforms rather. Go YouTube with that, Keep Movie Studio TV, subscriber, watch all the previous videos, the battle detail that everything that you want to know about KMS and all the Rap Wars events, detail it out without wasting any more time. This is the battle coming up right now, and this is the iconic Pete Ross go Facebook. Holla Real Man Melton go Facebook for any inquiries regarding Rap Wars. Donita Don, if you want to know. Illusionist Mashiani, who is it? The Goddess of Prank on Facebook. Please, Hopela assistance or inquire that offer. But please, let's respect the whole Rap Wars events and the battle MCs respectively. But otherwise, thank you for the support. Reclamanana got the next event. KMS we up, son. More details to come soon.
Will make you see the authorized. The mics that are authorized will make you hear the authorized. The rhymes that are authorized will make you see the authorized. The mics that are authorized will make you hear the authorized. Authorizing rhymes to be revealed in scripture.
I give you all dedicated Number one. Hey! Give me the champ. Big zoom shot. Give me the champ. Last champ. Now a champ. Can current Rappers reigning champion. I want to always see the level. Give it up to Sasha. Yo, wala handshake niya. Okay, who calling? Heads or tails? Proper handshake and the woman at This is a battle for the title of Rappers champion. But before I get from my left hand side, introduce yourself.
Yo. That XRSA straight up from Soshambu, right? Representing Day One, the Empire, straight up.
Big shout out to 30X. Give it up to 30X. On my right hand side from Sekunda, introduce yourself.
Sanbonan. Hello, Medina Wakona. Representing Pumalanga Yonka Kona. Brings on Jello Ning, I'm Nika Malam, but now stand up comedian Susan Zalago, so I hear me. I'm trying to make it, I'm trying to pick up the mic, so I hope you understand.
Big shout out to Medina Wakona. So guys, let that explore brag. Give it up to the TFCs. Yo. Who calling? Heads or tails? Who calling? Mom, when you get heads, 3X go heads, tails. Okay, 3X heads. Let's go. It's heads. 3X want the coin toss. Who going first? Mehdi going first. Let's get it poppin'. Make some noise for the G's right here. Mehdi Wakona going first. Round 1, it's on you, famo.
Let's go. Yang is our face. Yeah, I'm trying to mic, so I'm choke and understand. I say attention. Can I have your attention? Vulana Mesa when the wider and see this almighty king in action. Spitting facts and punchlines that will change this whole situation while this battle's about to come out of hands like a masturbation. See every time I'm totally challenge. This totally lavanda bapaiza. Exing of punch up shungu patunga personalize. Jenga lavanda bapaza. It's just a baking. I say it's just a baking, but gang exalise. Naming zamu impress abanda bachachayo. Plus vegan nasos kasok salisa na nendunu. Jenga banda bachaifa. I say, Kasil rape I'm the boss. And be just one of those things of a punch of a kissy webunga to pussy overdose. Les strongest mania dongs of Mashisa. Probanga to get along the black lepons. I'm the dopest of them all and it's the workers, not the jokes. So why don't you just be like Ituma Lenkune and try to save your balls? No jokes in your rank. I say, because on behalf of Pumalanga, Istala sako siakinya. Ente kwena urepu bizinga machofu sashana mapunchlines lima. Mina ge mpaga misikasi. Mbali nde kaza machita when I was no paga misikasi. Ukuna ngekasi la mapia. Nithi niyahlupa. Nzenza machamanyana wokunuka. Namhlupekene nenkinga sana. Hayi ukuthi ngiyajuda but I mind to keep umphefumulo ngeke into engizoyizuza when the only time ukhipha umphefumulo usukusuza. Mamela, istayela sakho umhlolo ubanda nasehlobo angitholi ngumfazi or umelusi but unginusela ngenkoma mina ngiyatropa ngidume kakhulu abantu bathi ngikwayi wena uyabhayitha udume ngokuluma njengesifo sotwayi and awushisi nokushisa sokuzomhlula kanjani because the only time ushisa usukulayida isinqamu sogwayi simezama sibhemi next kodwa sihlala sidopha impela nezakho ngama-colleagues because you all work together. Wait. I said nigga, I saw your bakery against Madika. I was so disappointed, brother. I mean, you have an energy of a dragon, so I was expecting you to spit fire. But then the main event, Mahala, but Mina Olaiso was just two bitches finger fucking each other. Yasumuta ngabona ilamba namana ikhathi mhlambe lentwana iyashisa babona stage mawethu uhlanya bathi no lentwana iyakhila kanti abazi uMr Bean ukhila ngeaction umlomo eheart nje likhipha amasimba. Listen, hayi lezinto zama-jokes awukho dope yekela ukuphapha urepa nje udodi sibebe nokuphasha ubonakala ngegama lama-roll on x ekubeni uyiboss ngokunuka amakhwapha. Like him X. I don't even need that tear gas. With just one punchline, it's a KO. Now get it? You are just a kid X. Listen. Lotabola ma punch wako ngangil shine sakala. Lento ikabanga 6 months. Mina ngikafula freestyle. Ekaslami bang busy aeroplane. I'm getting paid to fly. When the social nguvo bang busy nyone cause velu papa mahala. Yeah, come back. Third X, first round is on you. Ayo, hold it down. Ayo, hold it down, hold it down. Hold it down. Round one. Fight! Bathi imoto yedombolo uyifethuke ngana mahuta ngare khoya Jacob Zuma ona le di second thoughts. Yo, wait, let me bring it back. Bon. Look away at me just to make sure you understood. I shoved my hand inside your girlfriend's anus like Black Coffee's hand. It's finger licking good. Kerapela was queen. You can go to Hollywood. I make it for us on a sequaso born nigga. I'm Robin Hood. Hekerapaka Patelo. Let me put it correctly. Hekerapa came Messiam Patela, voice it's a holo. Take the highlights to go to be Sabajele Apollo. When I leave Papa Letakani, or Kambu to the Jindangara. If it's a must staging our papa, get on at the voice and my diga di tatar. You are like 50 Cent's old track. Your dick has been in many men. Many men. Milton, I'll let you know. Orange ufuna ngiqele. Maybe fasa mawgo total garage kilukisa engine mara still ufuna ngemshele. Get it? Total garage engine shele. Sitini bangoni. Garobile marao mo di matlo. Obethile eskele. Oh my God. I wish we never met. Kubeter harataila. Kitlo alang garmudimo makula. Garo se fanesa lesilo kitlo rula. You see my nigga, these hands are so lethal. I fuck you up, you choke. Like being my Badika is legal. Look.
I somebody come home.
Look. I spit pause. I come through with this battle with no scar like the Lion King. If you think you fucking up this bitch, you lying, King. Medicanals, Califrige go Dragon Ball Z, the Select and the Freezer. Time! Give it up, One, two, one. Yo, slow it down. Respect them. Hey, yo, keep shooting studio. So is this the guy you call your champ? You mean them lot the young and I'm a petela, they all bow down to this back? Well, I'm a Shazo, because where I come from, this nigga can be made by a girl, and honestly speaking, Jelento Yanzayo doesn't qualify to be called rap. And like when our rap is in my jokes, and Ushashana, my punchlines are weak. Nemzilu Saschela about Takalan in Amanje 2019. There is nothing new on your script. Most of my punch was sweet and take a good baby with Facebook, Benzo comment and was seen. Islanders are my jokes. Besu tuzobulala mina kambo utata machance ngibona ngithinda nekhanda khuluma necrowd uzuzama ukukhaza amajaji kuyafana nake imbuzi ngizokuhlaba kujabula abaphansi and uyanqaka waye ungashisi ngoba ekhakini bathi ijazi asey upapjo unjengenapkelo zirepela ikagyodo ngizwile bathi la kuwe sidondiwe no want upapso untengentenge le type njengawe yingithusi mina ukuthi ngidophu ngitshelwa ngabantu wena uyasitshela nesihluthu or just because ugundi ikheke now you think ngizaxolela awuna flow awuna wordplay you sound ngathi yabongelela kunini nje ngibhekile abafazi enhleke sengiqala ukubhoreka ngizama ukumfakela amadoda njengomuthi ekorobela cause ngiyasika nje yami angeke uvuke usika njengami ngakufaka engadi nespinach angeke usike njengami ntwana buka le nto ngisayishayi sengenonebula ngifila ngathi mina unkunzi ngibhekile umantakabula uzofa ngithi uzofa yimini king when you are forced up plus the only time you keep in number usukuchama 4-5 abanye ziyabajump uyabona namhlanje udibane nembi la sithutha now get it udibane nembi la sithutha angeke uyithole recording dini yekukusithutha usarecordela nakubedroom studio that's why ingoma zakho ziphupha ente for mina kukhatha nawe ngifila njengempoqo ngifila njengengulube bathi kumele ngidlele koso but when you are out here breaking ushana nge-energy empohlo yini awunamfazi usahlanyisa uswayi njengexoxo It's akusizi because nalama lines wakha wasindi you need to go get your friends to help you writing ngoba mpinji kuyaqaqo njengepensela akwazi ukubhala phandle komsizi amuza sathi utlwela punch says a guy you can rap sahlala ke sagadi punchline and that punchline was trash umuntu bekumele agqoka ama-overall I mean my opponent is work and how are you going to make serious money out of your punchlines when your punchline doesn't make sense uyabona like miya maybe focus ngistika ama-point ekuchaza amapenza ngilathi focus wena usabhizi yabo akibahlubulela libanyana babuhana abamuphi attention isidakwa sawuruhana I'm not calling you a bitch but you sound like Rihanna they understand the hip hop. Uzi shell and then shell. I see punchline. I mention it. I end the sense. I say, nigga, you need to first change your damn attitude, or be the first one to do the damn brains attitude. You ran out of tunes. And my lines are going to shame. I got the shoe, and your skill sucks more than a blow jobbing prostitute. Yeah. Give it up. Islanders are my jokes. Time.
Yo, hold it down. Second round, let's go. Wem soon. Nakama twele tunga zokakele stage. Intanga zakho ziyasebenza zinabantwana ukhama manzi, don't make me flip the page. Mbizene zuluminati ngimkhombi pyramid efudume zigiza. Ku assista kaskero tshwere batch njengo Julia ngiyakusiza. Yes, my volume. Kwanuka kancane ngathi ugunye premature manje ligagini. Yemedi unuka masimba uthi ukushika umlomonyana njengesibongo saka Shabir. Morapo was I'm the landlord ekenyaka ke tsa speaker ke tso se ba hiri. Usithotho go ruma go sa hwitsing tsa mon rekela 2 staves and go na siri. Nigga, I castor oil siminya. That means I run shit. Nigga, Nigga, you too fake. Ngara keshia input sagale raw la Nicki Minaj. Plastic. Boss, man, boss. You too fake ngara keshia input sagale raw la Nicki Minaj. Plastic. Nigga, I'm drastic. I'm a teacher with benefits. I stretch marks. Nice. Your life is a tongue, it probably sucks. When it comes to bars, I bring it on the stage. Ngarotore computer, caption and capability, nigga, I rampage. Rampage. Look, look, I'm too short to pass through you, nigga. I need small gates. If you want me to,
please hold it down, hold it down, hold it down. Yo, hold it down, respect the MC. Let's give them time. Go.
Look, man. These bars that you spitting, this Zulu thing, this Zulu crap, is getting so fucking annoying right now. It's getting so fucking annoying, nigga. I got like shit out here. Bruce Lee, I'm on some Jet Li shit. I need to change my hair color. That means Romeo must die, bitch.
Hold it down. Hold it down, hold it down, hold it down. Respect the MCs.
Let me spit, bitch.
Respect
Let me spit.
Respect the MCs, respect the MCs. Hold it down, yo. Let's respect the MCs though.
Look, I'm like that line under your dick. From your ass I go nuts until circumcision, which means I gave you uppercuts.
Hey, fuck this shit.
Yo, man, I need your attention, guys, please.
Yo, hold it down, please. Hold it down, hold it down. Let's give them time.
Fuck this.
I got my Air Force on.
Look.
Yo, fuck all this thing.
When this shit wave, everybody goes down like we're about to pray at a mosque. Heavenly Father, here's another dead body. This is just a hobby, I meant to kill nobody.
Time. Give it up to Terex. Hold it down, let's respect them.
Look how man reacted is intelligent, promoting she pop you wrong. I say, ageko mhlambu umuntu onamaphantsi ngona gibele stages fumba. Angeke ngisuke kudeni kangaka lezi ngizobhekila bomafunda. I mean, I'm a real kid, you just a red X. Get it? Red X, yogcina wabulala magundwana. Noma rap uzuguqe phasi lokuthi uzama ukwina. To steal a bitch from Sochanguve and the local soze kwashintsha. This is like babes odumo getting abused by umampintsha enhle kabangbizi tin fish mahala. Ingoba ngihambe ngidliwa izinja. I'm the best when I've take angeke ungenze next. I'm the best but your friends still compare you with me. I'm the champ, now we champ but not on the same league and I don't compete with girls. This is not friends like this. kodwa ngiyashesha wena uyaphuza that's all udakelwa and angikhulumi nge-ghost rights amangithi ku-rap uyabhalelwa but uweak lyrical but uweak lyrically uzabhala into zabantwana mina ngifihla ngiringa ibhari cause labangani bakho bayakusaba yabo like him ufike kabi intona ubhekene nomesaya but the way you weak ngakhona ufana ne-on goal ngengicelebrate noma ngakushaya lakini indoda iyabulawa yendeka ngithathi ma-chance ngihlinza isifuba ngikhipha ubhambo njengothixo makenza umfazi this is Skakman look this is Skakman look hold it down no listen man this is wrong this is rap wars this happened now listen I say this is Skakman shit nyangiphazamisa respect the MCs nyangiphazamisa okay fine let's go okay zabuyela emva kancane ne ngiphazanyisa yini okay hold it down 1 2 I say when the week but mina ngitshela ivaro cause bangani bakho bayafihla but mina ngifihla ngitshela ivaro guys ngilimeza hold it down give him time respect the MCs yo respect the MCs respect the time man ngilimeza down okay ngizojump ngithi now I'm a pass. You know the gangsters stop lying. You won't get rich, you'll die trying. And I'm surprised why did 50 Cent this baby by me to end my life after so many men been trying. But wait, yeah, since it's obvious that I'm winning this, Bengela Zaliko cause I wanna teach you a lesson. Minangu teacher when ngumfundi Vuda with your boring generations. Talking about generations, I think mfundisa mapasa. Your friends call you a star, ngoba ngumfazi. Lisedi. On stage you act like utawu, but in real life you are a jack. Well, ismanga ngoba kunamazi ati I'm the real kumkane. You just a bitch acting like a duck njengo Lucy Diyale. Bengcela ukhuzu mngakho. Sesiyambhora lesishasha. Ucheromo bonuka makhwaphe nduhleza kholo mahlanya. Ile type ebambisana ngedrop. And udume lonke ikasi bambiza Kaizer Chiefs cause wamudla damage impahla. Nithi ucherwakho inyumba akazali. Nembiza zonke ziyahluleka. Ngiyadlala singambizi inyumba simbize ngemfundo cause nemfundo ayikhulelwa. Ngibonene post yakhe Facebook azolo. Ngibone post yakhe Facebook athi ufuna ukuya entabeni. Ngathi hey nangu umhlolo. Babana abaningi baya entabeni babuye sebamadoda. U-ex stubborn makangaya entabeni angabuye sekanendoda.
Sorry prayer.
Give it up for Medical. Ngiphazanyiswa yini? Ngiphazanyiswa.
Thank you. Let's go. Yo. That last year menstruation. You must be a window period. I will come in your face. It will cover your whole structure like Rey Mysterio. When bars quick, niggas shiver. I'm Oscar Pistorius, that means he's a son of a bitch in case there's a river. Look, I was still on that run before I was cut. I was like, Heavenly Father, here's another dead body. This is just a hobby, I meant to kill nobody. Como holo, o feito skolo, no nyago pasa badimo. Ke hopela modimo khatitla no godimo. Hagra uchoma, yukuku nai. Kuma godimo, le mukana misheng neto moteto o lebella godimo. Can I get an amen?
Hey, yo, hold it down, please. Get on down, my fellow guys, please, hold it down.
down. Hold it down. Exhale. That's it. Hold it down. Hold it down. Hey yo, round them up, fellow guys. Please respect the MC. Thank you. Look. Kepela homo ya kona geng mokoti nigga I pitbull. You husk. When it comes to bars, there's a difference. When you spitting, there should be a crowd filled with ignorance. These things won't change. Ketamaka Maotu on top of a car, that's a Walker, Texas Range. You are strange, you wanna be Piccolo, but you green like pine gel. Guys, just take a hold it down. Hey, what up? Hey, hold it down. Hold it down. Hey yo, hold it down. Americanos, we made it throwing on Hopolo. Unomona Lisa. Guys, do you hear punchlines though? We moto et throwing on we made it throwing on Hopolo. Unomona Lisa. Chaga on the Belton controller. Hey yo, hey, hold it down. Hold it down, please. Round them up, Americaners. Hey, yo. Hold it down. Get a person that thing. Look. Yo, please, let's keep it quiet. Respect the MC, he still got time. Let him go, let me finish his round. Yo, hold it down. Caps, hold it down, guys, please. Just 3 seconds, he's done. Hold. It doesn't matter if you're drinking vodka. Sometimes you too fake and too weak. That means you fake hair and periods. When it comes to this finger licking thing, I'm finger licking good. That means I'm black coffee right now, cause this thing is just finger licking good. Like black coffee's hands. When it comes to this, you won't spit with me, nigga. I'm filled with bliss. Yo, hold it down, please. Hold it down. Respect the MCs. Guys, your energy. Off it. Just 3 seconds. Your energy, man. Bon. Kufa maiki, montlala di lines a kale na go sa betlela ne le botrompis. Style sa was chaka nenga rutsuki re fedileng chepis. What? Guys, what up? Y'all want this battle or what? It's time. Alright, man, time. Alright, time. Give it up for both MCs. Give it up for Americaners. Give it up for parents. Let me see some hands. Somebody save me. This music is taking over my soul. DJ, oh, how the rhythm is playing. My whole body shake. Don't wanna escape. DJ, turn I remember the day we signed a deal with the fan. I promised to remember when I go deliver the track. Obvious get up like Ingilico KMS Mereko. Rapa was who are working work. I work hard just because the toilet defeat. Bonabaji watata Carvaspana capital in. Talente weapon in Okebola di Titi Skiman Naga Winter Koske Pela Kinsa hit. Kitonilo rapper, Sarah Batman Slender, Grea promotion, Nakesangwala Capenta. Kibola di sober develop the anger. You've got your own blood, niggas, Nalis can tester. The Don Gele Paraman, Toxkim Fana, the Don Gesingaman, Tuxkim Chana, the Don Gihoshu, Skampotaga Bovalaza, any types of Osomizi, but Hilaka Mascar. Somebody save me, this music is taking over my soul. Check, people. Oh, how the rhythm is playing, my whole body shaking. Don't wanna escape. DJ
brain every time we make a movement. Should come from productivity, secondly creativity. The focus like a camera, the big smile like Santa. You should take notes, all the more reason I'm a singer. Pen and paper for the culture. I'm trying to tease your brain, but verbally I am rich. I know something you can inherit. Work hard, sleep less, love what you do unless you do it for the fame. Flows will come on tasteless. I'm just giving the truth, never mind what you say after. You're the type to rap dope till I rap after. God bless what I have at this current moment. Fact is my bars are super higher than the government. I give rise to the people who picture me famous. I punch harder in reality, better than Seamus. I'll sleep better when I know that I have done everything in my power to stay a number one word.
Somebody save me. This music is taking over my soul.
Check.
Hip hop. Oh, how the rhythm is playing. My whole body shaking. Don't wanna escape it. DJ, turn it up.
Check. Hip hop. KMS. Deja hip hop, ke phela hip hop. Vele lenyora ke nna mo bo ma top dog. When you fail pop, inkunze beat job. Nka ho tobetsa anytime. Keyboard when I